I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today we are playing with Lego. Yay! Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for lots more videos. Did you do it? Great! Let's get going. Today we are going to unbox and play with the Hip Hop Robo Car. So in our Hip Hop Robo Car box, not only do we have all of the bits we need to build a robo car, we also have a sing bot and a bass bot. Meep, meep, meep. I'm a captain bot. This is a Lego video augmented reality set. So if you want to, you can ask Mum or Dad if you can download the app and you can make some awesome music videos. Release the robots! Woohoo! We're gonna get into bag number 1. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, Lego! Is bag 1 done? I think this might be the base of our Robo Hip Hop car. And of course, we've got Bass Bot. Look at that cool outfit. Should we get stuck into bag number 2? Okay then, let's do it. The end of bag 2. I was having so much fun I didn't even realise. We've got our hip hop car looking more and more robo and more hip hop by the minute. Got our little record player in there and some very big speakers. And we've got Singbot. Oh hi Singbot. Oh hi. Oh, Singbot's got a microphone and a little boombox. Hey, stop mucking around and do bag number 3. Oh, okay. Better get to it. Well, that is indeed a Robo Hip Hop car. Look at this. Got all the little bits that move, turn the speakers around, and the head. And of course, Singbot and Bassbot have finished their concert. And what's that, Singbot? Bassbot says that you've run out of tomato sauce in the back of the Robo Hip Hop car. Oh no. Oh yeah, because we've got tomato sauce here and there's a bit of green sauce, which, you know, bots just love. So I guess you guys better hop in and go to the shops. Yeah, I think so. Bassbot, you drive. Oh, okay. Bassbot's going to drive holding their guitar because, you know, that's how Bassbots drive. And Singbot is going to pop in the back so that they can wash their little microphone in the sink. Robo Hip Hop car really does have everything. Well, that's it from me for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time for more Fun with Captain Starlight, Unbox and Play. Bye. Off we go. Come on. Your seatbelts on.